Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be talking about filming mode in manual mode on this Canon 90D. So let's get started. So I've got this camera in manual, okay, and I've switched the camera on, and as you can see I'm viewing my content through the LCD screen or LED screen. So to get to this, you may be on your photo setting. So what you will need to do is put into the filming settings, and then your screen will change. And if you click on the Q button, it will give you some options. So like I've got tracking on, so I can track certain objects within this filming mode. But if I click on info, if I click on this button here, it gives me some options. So for example, I'm in filming mode. I want to change the shutter. It allows me to change the shutter in filming mode. Okay, so I can select a certain shutter speed. My f-stop aperture, it allows me to change my aperture in filming mode. Okay, and when I'm happy with it, I can select it and I can just go back. Okay, and it allows me to also change my exposure compensation as well. Or I can go into auto, and I can also change the ISO as well. So it does allow me to change those things in film mode. If I click on the Q button here, I've got various settings for the filming mode. So I've got obviously my tracking enabled. I've got my file size, my video file, so 4K, 25 frames per second, full HD, 50 frames per second. So I can select the different file formats that I want for my videography. So that's really, really useful. You've got digital sensitivity. I think what this does, it decreases camera shake. So it's worth having that on as well. So I'm going to select enable audio. So I've got a Rode mic attached to this, and as you can see, because I've got my Rode mic attached, it's picking up the sound. So I'm filming with a Rode mic, and also it's picking up the sound through this camera as well. So that's very, very useful. So the camera is picking up internal sound, but if you want to connect a Rode mic, obviously you'll get better sound quality as well. So I'm talking through a Rode mic with the camera that I'm filming, but also the camera that I've got on is also picking up the sound, and you can see the quality of sound that is picking up. I've noticed that the sound quality is very good on these cameras. Click on Q. Again, white balance. I can change the white balance in videography mode. So if I'm obviously filming indoors, I can change this around depending on my environment. Q button again. Picture style. Do I want it black and white, portrait? All those settings that you will have in your normal photography settings are also available to you in the filming mode as well. When you're ready to film, all you need to do is, if say for example you are filming a subject, so I've got this object here, and if I'm filming, so I might select film. So I'm going to click on, first I'm going to click on auto focus on, and I'm going to focus into a subject, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to film. So I'm going to click on the film button, and it should allow me to film the subject when I'm ready. Okay, so all very useful stuff for filming and for videography as well. So yes, that's filming mode. You can also go into your menu, okay, and change certain things in terms of file size, etc. But that's for another video to talk about the main menu in terms of what features are available within there. You can also switch back to photography mode or go back to filming mode. Your settings will still remain the same, and you're ready to film when you're ready to go. Okay? If you've got any questions, please do post, and I'm happy to respond to anything that you may have. So today, for this video, I've talked about the filming settings on this Canon 90D. Any questions, please do post, and I'm happy to respond. See you later, guys. Bye.